How to find syncing settings on TikTok now. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find that easy and quick. First open TikTok now and then click on your profile here, and now click these three lines in top corner, and after that all you need to do just click uh, privacy here. Let's click on it and then click sync contacts and Facebook friends, and as you see here you can manage sync settings. It's easy. You can turn it off and then or on and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.